Hello, hello! It's Heather Jean Jordan here for the second video of our Keep Calm and Uke On series. Thanks for joining me again. If you haven't just done the stretching video, then I suggest you go back there right now and get nice and relaxed before we start our first warm-up song. This is a great song for beginner ukulele players. It's a song I composed actually for calming children down at the library, but I find that it's very applicable to uke players. And it's a great way to learn a nice strumming technique and getting a good tone. So, before we even begin, we're checking our posture. We're rolling our shoulders, making sure we're not arching our back too much. How are we holding our uke? I have a strap. You don't have to have one. You can rest your uke on your lap. But we do want to have a bit of an angle here. So, you've already tuned. There are so many videos on the internet for tuning that at this point I'm not adding a new one. I'll change that perhaps in the coming days, but I'll put some links for you. And if you're not sure of the names of the different parts of the ukulele, I'll put some documents for you on my webpage, heatherjeanjordan.com. Okay. Oh, and remember to like, share, and subscribe if you want to hear more of these videos. Here we go. All right, so we're holding our ukulele nice and relaxed. We're going to glue our thumb to the back. It's kind of pointing up and midway up the neck. And we're not going to have any specific notes with our hand here. We're just going to leave it open. So we're going to roll our hand like this to the side, if you can see that. We're playing an A minor 7 chord here, which is just the open strings of the ukulele. It's a nice chord. G, C, E, A. We're going to use our thumb and allow it to almost touch the fretboard or fingerboard, this part behind the strings, as we strum through. And my thumb is going to feel a little sticky. I'm not playing over the sound hole, I'm playing over the fretboard, and I'm letting my thumb hit each string very clearly, rather than playing with this flat part of my thumb and getting this very soft sounding strum. There's nothing wrong with that strum, but in this video, we're focusing on a nice full tone, which is something that most ukuleles struggle with. So we're going to try to have a nice full tone. Yeah, and the only note we're really picking is this top note when we come back up. We're going to play G, C, E, A, G. I'm going to count 2, 3, 4. We're keeping a nice steady beat. So this is in 4/4 time. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me demonstrate, and then you can try along with me at home. Set yourself up for greatness. You can relax. We're trying to do as little as possible. Think of this as Zen ukulele. So, get yourself set up. Get your hand in the right position. Take the biggest breath you've had all day and let it all out. And we're going to play G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that together. That's the first part of our song. This song is called Feathers in a Nest, and it's got some words I'll share with you in a future video. All right, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, play. G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that one more time. G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now, remember to check in. Are you feeling tense? How can you become aware of your body and how you're holding the uke without adding extra tension? It's not about focus. This is about finding awareness. So just pay a little bit of attention to what you're feeling right now. And make sure to take a nice big breath and breathe while you're playing. Now the second part of the song goes like this. G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. Why don't you try that with me? I'll count us in again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, play. G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. And notice how my finger is kind of sticking. I'm hitting every string with an equal amount of force. See if you can do the same thing at home. Take a couple seconds here to try that out. We can roll our shoulders if you think you're already ready. Should we try it again together? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. Nice work. Now you might need to pause and try this again and again and again. This is what practicing is like. That's okay. Don't get frustrated. Think of it, if you've done yoga before, as your yoga practice would be. When you're doing that, you're just building awareness, finding where you are in your body, and discovering new ways to do things. So if things are sounding very muted, maybe you're using the wrong part of your finger. You can almost touch the next string each time you go through. Okay, let's try to play it all the way through. I'll play it once, and then you can play it with me. Ready? Here I go. G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. Do you think you have it? Let's try it together. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, play. G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A, G, 2, 3, 4. Nice work! See you soon for our next video with words to go along to this song. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!